Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Choose freshly roasted whole beans and store in an airtight container. Buy beans roasted within the last 2 to 3 weeks and use them within 3 weeks of roast for peak flavor. Use 16 grams of coffee per 250 milliliters of water. That one, 15. 6 ratio works for most pour-over and drip methods. Grind to a medium coarse size for most manual brewers, adjusting coarser for slower flows and finer for faster flows, while keeping the grind consistent with a quality burr grinder. Heat water to 92-96 degrees C, 197-205 degrees F, for optimal extraction. Boiling water damages delicate aromatics and cooler water under extracts. Bloom with 30 to 60 grams of water for 30 seconds when using 16 grams of coffee to release CO2 and stabilize flow. After bloom, pour in concentric circles to reach 250 milliliters total. Total brew time should be 2 minutes 30 seconds to 3 minutes 30 seconds for pour over. Adjust grind or dose if your brew finishes outside this window for balanced extraction. Clean grinders and brewers weekly to avoid stale oils affecting flavor. Backflushing espresso machines and descaling drip brewers preserve clarity. For espresso, use 18 to 20 grams coffee and tamp evenly at 30 pounds to achieve a 25 to 30 second extraction and 25-35 milliliters of liquid per shot, adjusting dose for taste. Taste for balance. Acidity, sweetness, and bitterness, and adjust grind or ratio accordingly. Record settings, then iterate with small changes to dose, grind, or temperature until you consistently hit your preferred profile.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.